Investing through Webull involves the following steps. Create an account. Visit the Webull website or download the app. Sign up for an account by providing your personal details and creating a username and password. Verification. Verify your identity by providing identification details such as your social security number and a photo of your ID. This step is essential for compliance and account approval. Fund your account. Once your account is approved, deposit funds into your Webull account. You can do this by linking your bank account and transferring money electronically. Explore the app. Get acquainted with the Webull platform. The app offers various features such as stock trading, options trading, cryptocurrency trading, and market analysis tools. Research and trade. Conduct thorough research on stocks, options, or cryptocurrencies you're interested in. Webull provides real-time market data and analysis tools to support your decision making. Place orders. When you're ready, use the app to place buy or sell orders for stocks, options, or cryptocurrencies. Ensure you're familiar with the order types available on the platform. Track and manage. Monitor your investments regularly, track their performance, and make adjustments as needed.